In this video, I'll guide you through how to export to ePUB in LibreOffice. Whether you're looking to share your document in an ebook format or simply want to enjoy the flexibility of an ePUB file, this tutorial will walk you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to download it from the official LibreOffice website. Once you have it up and running, you'll be greeted with the LibreOffice Start Center. From here, navigate to the Writer Document option. Clicking on this will open a new document in Writer, which is LibreOffice's word processing component, similar to Microsoft Word. It's important to begin here because the ePUB export feature is most effectively used within Writer. With your document open, the next step is to head over to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see the File menu. Clicking on File will open up a drop-down menu with numerous options related to your document management. From this drop-down, look for the Export As option. It's crucial to note that this isn't the same as Save As, which you might be more familiar with. Export As allows you to convert your document into different formats, including ePUB, which is exactly what we're aiming to do. Under Export As, you'll see an option that says Export as ePUB. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. A dialog box will appear, giving you a few additional settings and options to customize your ePUB file. Here, you can specify details like the title, author, and language of your ePUB. There's also an option to set the version of the ePUB you're exporting to, which is usually best left at the default setting unless you have a specific requirement. If your document includes images or other media, you might want to check the settings that deal with image quality and compression. Adjusting these settings can help manage the file size of your ePUB, which is particularly handy if you plan to distribute the file online or via email. Once you've configured all the settings to your liking, go ahead and click OK or Export, depending on your version of LibreOffice. You'll then be prompted to choose a destination on your computer to save your new ePUB file. Pick a location that you'll easily remember, such as your desktop or a dedicated folder for eBooks. And that's it. You've successfully exported your document to an ePUB file using LibreOffice. This format is widely recognized and can be opened on most ebook readers, tablets, and smartphones, providing a seamless reading experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more of our guides on using LibreOffice and other software tools. Thanks for watching and happy exporting!